I'm back with another quick tutorial. This is to show you how to use our Glow V2 swapper. You'll simply want to send your Smart Chain BNBs to the swapper address, and in return you'll receive your Glow V2 tokens sent directly back to your wallet. So from any of our social media posts or our Discord page, you'll want to go in and locate the V2 swapper address, ensure that it is ending in 84E8. Copy that, and then in your wallet of choice, in this case I will be using my Trust wallet, open up your wallet and then click the send button. Locate your Smart Chain BNB and then go ahead and paste in the address of our swapper wallet. Next, you want to enter in the amount you want to buy. In this case, I will be sending in 0.1 BNB. Click continue. It will ask you to confirm your amount you want to transfer, and this is correct. Go ahead and click confirm. Go through your standard authentication process, and then in a few moments, it will go ahead and complete. You'll see here it's processing the transaction, and then I'm just waiting for it to complete. There it goes. I'll just refresh my screen, and you'll see that the BNB has already been swapped out to Glow. Quick, easy, and simple. So you do want to remember that when you are swapping out for Glow, this is only for the ability to buy. It does not support any ability to sell this swapper, and also it does not support the ability to swap any other token. So want to make sure that you are using the Smart Chain BNB, and please do not send any other token types of this address, as it is difficult, or your tokens will be lost and will not be replaced. So thanks again everyone for being the best part of Glow. We really appreciate you and appreciate you being a part of the community. Thanks so much. I hope you have a great day.